The anterior border, is sharp. The posterior border is rounded. The lateral surface has impressions of the ribs, and the medial surface has the veins and artery. And still, if you don't get it, take a guess. You have 50% chance to be right. Lobes दिखाओ. The right lung has 3 lobes, one oblique line, one oblique fissure, and one horizontal fissure. Left lung. This is the impression for arc of aorta, and this is the impression. This is the first branch, second, and third impressions. With the impression of aorta, there is the impression of esophagus. Sometimes it is present, sometimes it is not. Take a guess. Whichever circle you feel is hard is the bronchi, and the rest are veins and arteries. Right lung. I forgot.
ये लेफ्टी
पता है left.
आगे बोलना राइट ना.
This is the impression for the left ventricle. This is the impression for the right atrium. Here is an impression. This is an impression for azygous vein, and this is an impression for the superior vena cava, and this is an impression for inferior vena cava. Yeah, these three are the veins, pulmonary veins. This and this, the hard circles are the bronchi. This is the epi, and this is the hypophyse.
Pulmonary vein, no?
Three, no?
Yeah, but this and this.
पर openings अंदर तीन हैं.
And that is
And
the
this is the artery, pulmonary artery.
Right atrium. Over here we can see the sulcus terminalis extending from the superior vena cava to the inferior vena cava. Under this is the crista terminalis. This is the interior of the right atrium. The opening of the superior vena cava, the opening of the inferior vena cava, and the opening of the coronary sinus, which lies between the opening of inferior vena cava and the interatrial septum. These are the muscular pectini.
Show that properly.
Muscular pectini,
Pectinati.
the rough thing. Then this is the fossa ovalis. The border of the fossa ovalis is the limbus fossa ovalis.
Crista terminalis दिखाया.
Yeah, this is the crista terminalis, and over here is the tricuspid valve.